Several airports are temporarily closed ahead of landfall, and while Bradley and Tweed remain open tonight, your flight might be impacted because of Hurricane Milton. At last check, 1,900 flights have been canceled today across the United States. Airports in Florida are seeing the biggest impact, with Hurricane Milton expected to make a landfall in the coming hours. Right now, Tampa, Clearwater, Fort Myers, and Orlando airports are all closed. The last plane to Connecticut from Orlando flew out this morning. Pia Vasquez, who lives here in Connecticut, says her mother was on that flight. Pia says she's just relieved tonight to know that her mom is out of harm's way.
So we just grabbed whatever we were able to, and lucky enough, because we just found out that they were closing the airport in Orlando at 8 a.m. And so we were lucky to just have her on her last flight at 7:15, and she's here because now they're not doing anything that was after, I guess, 8 a.m. There was not going anywhere. So everybody's scrambling just as we are.
But the travel headaches are not only affecting Floridians. If you are planning to fly anywhere over the next few days, both American and Southwest Airlines are warning about delays. AAA urges travelers to be flexible right now and sign up for alerts with your carrier.
When there are massive weather events, hurricanes, there are ripple effects to flights across the entire country. So if you have travel plans within the next several days, make sure that you are in contact not only with your airline, with your travel agent, and download the app for your airline. That way you get the most up-to-date information and you can figure out whether or not your flight is going to be impacted.
Always good to be prepared. If you have plans to travel to Florida, you might be able to change your flight without paying a fee. American, Delta, United, and Southwest Airlines all saying that they will be offering waivers. Meantime, Miami and Fort Lauderdale airports, they're open tonight. I checked moments ago and you can still book a flight at a Bradley International, but that can all change, of course, depending on the impact from Milton.